Hello, and today I'm going to show you how to draw a Squishmallow cat. So first, what you're going to need is like a pen, pencil, or marker, doesn't matter, something to draw with, and something to draw on, like a piece of paper, doesn't matter, you can even use colored paper. So first you're going to draw a oval. Like this. And next you're going to draw ears. They're like triangles. Cat's ears are like triangles, but they kind of are curved on the top. They can be curved on the top, like this. And next thing, we're going to draw closed eyes. You can draw your eyes however you want, like this. I'm going to draw like a couple spots, like this. Next, I'm going to draw the mouth. Like that. And if you want, you can add eyelashes. It's super easy. Just add like 2 lines. Like this. And that's it. Super easy. Alright, next thing, let's color it. I'm going to leave my cat white. Yeah, I think I'll leave it white. So let's see, let's color inside her ears. Pink. Pink or red will do. Like this. And also do some cheeks. Just like little small pink ovals. Like this. And we'll color in her spots brown. Find a brown. Yes. I guess it doesn't have to be a pencil. Also brown things will work. I'm just making mine brown, it doesn't matter. Pencils work pretty good, color pencils, but markers could even work good. Do whatever you want. Almost done. And it doesn't have to be a white cat. You can make it any type of cat. And here it is. Here she is. Alright, and that's it. Bye, and I hope you enjoyed this video.